Did you know that ginger, despite its numerous health benefits, might not be suitable for everyone? This root, often used as a spice, is rich in potent compounds like gingerols and shogals. These compounds are not just responsible for ginger's distinctive flavor, but also its antioxidant effects. Yes, ginger is a powerful ally for your health. It supports digestive health, bolsters heart health, and can be a handy remedy for nausea. It even aids in managing blood sugar levels. But before you start incorporating more ginger into your diet, it's important to understand that it's not suitable for everyone. One of the potential risks associated with ginger consumption is its effect on individuals with bleeding disorders. The compounds found in ginger, such as gingerols and shogals, can potentially interfere with blood clotting. This means that individuals with bleeding disorders, or those taking blood-thinning medications, should exercise caution when consuming ginger. Furthermore, pregnant women should also be careful with ginger consumption. While it can be beneficial in alleviating morning sickness, overconsumption may pose risks. So, when should you avoid ginger? It's crucial to know when to steer clear of it. Individuals with bleeding disorders, for instance, should exercise caution. Ginger's blood-thinning properties might exacerbate their condition, leading to complications. Likewise, if you're on blood-thinning medications, ginger might interact with your medicine, potentially increasing the risk of bleeding. It's always best to consult with your healthcare provider in such cases before incorporating ginger into your diet. Pregnant women, too, need to tread carefully. While ginger can help with morning sickness, excessive consumption may pose risks. Again, a consultation with a healthcare provider is recommended before making ginger a regular part of your diet during pregnancy. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare provider before incorporating ginger into the diet, especially for those with specific health conditions or those who are pregnant. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational content on nutrition and health.